The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. This Malaysian-Chinese favorite features chicken marinated in fragrant 5-spice, ginger, and soy, then coated in egg yolk and cornflour. Deep fried to a golden shattering crisp, each bite offers the warm, complex aroma of star anise, cinnamon, and Sichuan peppercorns. Served with a homemade spice salt, it delivers a savory crunch that is simply irresistible. Main ingredients: whole chicken 1, ginger 2, 5 cm knob, shallots 4, 5 spice powder 1/2 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, sugar 1/2 teaspoon, light soy sauce 1 tablespoon, sesame oil 1/2 teaspoon, rice wine 1 tablespoon, pepper 1/4 teaspoon. Egg yolk 1, cornflour 5 tablespoons, cooking oil for deep frying, spiced salt sip, salt 2 tablespoons, 5 spice powder 1 teaspoon. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. Step 1. Clean and cut the chicken. Clean the whole chicken thoroughly under cold running water. Pat dry with paper towels. Using a heavy cleaver, cut the chicken into 24 pieces, separate the wings, drumsticks, thighs, and breast into roughly equal-sized pieces so they cook evenly in the fryer. Step 2. Pound the aromatics, peel the ginger and the 4 shallots. Place them in a mortar and pound with a pestle until you get a rough paste. The pounding releases the essential oils and juices from the ginger and shallots, which will permeate the chicken during marination. Step 3. Prepare the marinade. In a large mixing bowl, combine the pounded ginger shallot paste with the following seasonings: 5 spice powder 1/2 teaspoon, salt 1 teaspoon, sugar 1/2 teaspoon, light soy sauce 1 tablespoon, sesame oil 1/2 teaspoon, pepper 1/4 teaspoon. Mix thoroughly until all the seasonings are well blended into a uniform marinade. Step 4. Marinate the chicken. Add the chicken pieces to the marinade. Toss and turn each piece to coat evenly, pressing the marinade into the flesh. Cover the bowl with cling film and refrigerate for 2 hours to allow the flavors to penetrate deeply. Step 5. Prepare the spice salt. While the chicken marinates, prepare the spice salt accompaniment. Combine 2 tablespoons salt and 1 teaspoon 5 spice powder in a clean, dry pan. Stir continuously over low heat for 3-4 minutes until the mixture is fragrant and the salt takes on a light golden tint. Transfer to a small airtight jar and set aside. Step 6. Egg yolk coating. After the marination time is complete, beat 1 egg yolk in a small bowl. Pour the beaten egg yolk over the marinated chicken pieces and mix well so every piece is evenly coated with a thin layer of yolk. Step 7. Cornflour coating. Spread 5 tablespoons of cornflour on a shallow plate. One by one, remove each chicken piece from the bowl, allowing excess egg to drip off, and coat it thoroughly in cornflour. Press the cornflour gently onto the surface so it adheres well. Shake off any excess. The cornflour creates the signature crispy golden crust when fried. Cooking steps. Step 1. Heat the oil. Pour cooking oil into a deep wok or heavy-bottomed pot to a depth of at least 8-10 centimeters. The chicken should be fully submerged. Heat the oil to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Test the temperature by dropping a small pinch of cornflour into the oil. It should sizzle immediately and rise to the surface. Use a thermometer for accuracy. Step 2. Fry the chicken. Carefully lower the cornflour-coated chicken pieces into the hot oil, a few at a time to avoid overcrowding the wok. Fry in batches of 6-8 pieces. Maintain the oil temperature at around 175 degrees Celsius throughout frying. Step 3. Fry until golden brown. Fry each batch for 4 or 5 minutes, turning occasionally until the chicken pieces are deep golden brown and the coating is crisp and shattering. The chicken is cooked when the juices run clear when pierced at the thickest part of the thigh. Step 4. Drain 1. Remove the fried chicken pieces with a slotted spoon or spider strainer and drain on a wire rack or plate lined with paper towels. Allow excess oil to drip off. Step 5. Make a head tip to peach tea. If preparing a head, remove the chicken pieces from the oil once they are lightly browned. Just before serving, reheat the oil to very hot and fry the chicken again for 1 minute until the crust is crisped and the chicken is heated through. This ensures the chicken is served piping hot and shatteringly crisp. Step 6. Serve. Arrange the golden 5-spice chicken pieces on a serving plate. Sprinkle with the prepared spice salt or serve the spice salt in a small dipping dish alongside. Serve immediately while hot and crisp.